The climate control system in your Genesis GV60 can be adjusted by using the controls located below the infotainment screen. First, start the vehicle. Press the AC button to turn air conditioning on or off. Next, toggle the temperature controller to the desired temperature. Decide between either fresh or recirculated air. Adjust the fan speed. Touch these icons to separately turn on or off the vents for defroster, cabin, or footwell. 2 to 3 modes can be selected at the same time. The sync button enables the same climate settings for both the driver and passenger. Note that sync will turn off automatically if the passenger selects their own temperature. Note that the climate control settings that you have just set will stay intact even if you turn the vehicle off. The automatic defogging system in your Genesis GV60 helps reduce condensation and fog that may cover the windshield. This system is designed to sense when there is moisture present on the interior of the windshield and automatically turn on the defogging system. To turn the system on, make sure the vehicle is on and in ready mode. Then press the front windshield defroster button. Alternatively, the auto defogging system can be turned on and off on the infotainment system screen. Select Setup, Vehicle, Climate, Defog Defrost options, and Auto Defog. Your Genesis GV60 is also equipped with an automatic climate control system where your vehicle will cool or warm your interior cabin to a desired temperature. To initiate the auto climate control, first start by pressing the Auto button. Take note that the mode selection, fan speed, air intake rate, and the air conditioning will automatically operate on its own from here. Toggle the temperature controller to select a desired temperature. This can be done at any time after the automatic climate control has been activated, and selecting different temperatures will not deactivate automatic climate control. Take note that if the temperature is set to the lowest setting, the air conditioning will stay on continuously. Pressing the front windshield defroster, fan speed, or AC buttons will turn off automatic climate control. In order to improve efficiency, our recommendation is to set the temperature to a comfortable 72 degrees Fahrenheit. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.